Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to disable others from inviting you to their account on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This feature can help you maintain control over your account and avoid unwanted delegation requests. Let's get started. First, open X by visiting its website in your browser. Once you've logged into your account, take a look at the left-hand side menu. There, you'll see a variety of options. Click on the More icon. It's typically represented by 3 dots. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your account. Within this section, find and click on Security and Account Access. This is where settings related to account permissions and security are located. Now, look for the Delegate option and click on it. Here, you'll see a setting labeled Allow Others to Invite You to Their Account. By default, this option might be enabled. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off or uncheck the box. Finally, confirm your changes to ensure the setting is applied. Once confirmed, others will no longer be able to send invitations for you to join their accounts as a delegate. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings to prevent delegation invites on X. This quick change helps keep your account secure and free from unnecessary requests. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.